What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation back again with another video, and today, that's right, today we are picking up our brand new channel car, the replacement for my Audi RS3. And I promised you guys that if you liked my Audi RS3, that you would like the replacement. So let's go ahead and get this deal done.
This is a nice spec right here. Imagine that with like a matte PPF. Yeah, it look good.
So little fun fact for you. A lot of people don't realize that Audi invented the Nardo gray color. This is the real Nardo gray color.
It originated.
A lot of people wrap their cars in color. A lot of people
Bite it.
bite the color.
Like Kia and stuff. Saying, like, imagine this with like a stealth matte PPF. That would set it off. This is a good spec. New cop. New cop. Nice.
Getting a price on it. Haven't sold it yet, so if somebody wants to buy it, better get with me quick. But it's not sold yet, so I'm gonna get a price from the Audi dealership.
Yeah.
I need my Revuelto. All right, everybody. I'm not gonna waste any time in this video showing you the car. The paperwork was already done, you know what I'm saying? So now all we gotta do is reveal the car to you. No more wasting time, no more playing games. But anyway, all right, so here's what I gotta say about the car. Before I show you the car, this is the best looking spec that I have ever gotten on an Audi. Yes, it's an Audi. Like I said, you're not gonna be disappointed if you like my old RS3. This is the replacement for the RS3. The best looking spec I think that I've ever gotten out of a new Audi. It's a brand new 2023 model. Let's go check out my new 2023 Audi RS3. That's right, we picked up another Audi RS3, but this time in Camaro Gray. So let's talk about the car, let's talk about the spec on the new Audi RS3. All right, here's the spec, man, here's the spec. Camaro Gray, which is, it's like a Nardo Gray with a hint of blue in it. But when the sun comes out, I don't know if you can see it, but when the sun comes out, it has a rainbow flake in it. How would you describe the flake? Hamza got his internship
Burning up.
gear on. He got the internship gear. Well, how would you describe the paint color and everything?
The flake, you see the flake has got like that blue hint on it. And then you can kind of see a little bit of pink as well.
Yeah, it's got like a rainbow. But it only comes out in the sun though.
It's real low key. Like if you see this car, you're just like, oh cool. It's a gray car, right? But it's technically a blue, right? Is it technically blue?
Technically it's a gray is what they call it, gray, but it's got a lot of blue in it.
It got a lot of blue. It's dope.
You like it?
I love it.
So how does it compare to the black one?
I say stock for stock. I'd pick the black over this. But after seeing the,
Oh yeah, we gotta talk about we gotta talk about the mods.
It changed my perspective on it, so I say you did right with this.
We did all right with it.
And show them this yet.
Ooh, had to do it.
Ooh.
Had to do it. Oh, let me move this out the way, man. Let me move this out the way.
So how much did it cost to put those seats in that exhaust?
Oh yeah, let's talk about the whole thing. All right, so let's talk about what we have done, because if you're an Audi enthusiast and you're looking at this is a 2023. My last Audi RS3 was a 2022. Not much difference. I lost my home link, which is sad because I use home link for my garage and I've been looking for a solution. But everything else is pretty much the same. I can't remember if this has any features on it, but everything's pretty much the same. But I put my mods that I had on my old RS3, I put on this newer RS3. If you want to buy my old RS3, you better holler at me quick before I list it. But anyway, the mods. Let's talk about the mods.
Most
obvious thing, we put the front and rear skirts or body kit, whatever you want to call it, from Maxton Design. Shout out to Essex Auto Enhancement. My guy Roger with Essex Auto Enhancement. Check out his Instagram. Link in the description. He did all of the mods for me. So we put the rear skirt, which is this Maxton Design skirt back right here. And then on the front, check it out, but before we get to the front,
my bad.
we also wrap these black.
Nice little touch.
Essex Auto Enhancement.
What about
I didn't
the
do a
mirrors?
side skirt. The mirrors came factory black.
Okay, that was dope.
And you got this factory black piece right here on the RS.
Yeah.
Which kind of, for me, reduced the need for me to get a side skirt right away.
Yeah.
Might be something we add in the future. Hamza was asking me about it.
Yeah.
But I kind of want to see what it looked like this and see if we save a couple $100. But the side skirts don't cost anything.
Yeah.
Very, very economical.
I think it'll
Front
probably
lip
make it
is a
more
must.
aggressive. For sure.
If you got an Audi RS3,
Yeah.
you definitely want the Maxton Design front lip and rear lip. They have a variety of designs, but they're real cheap. They only cost like, it's not carbon fiber. It's like plastic, I think.
Yeah. It's like gloss black.
Gloss black. It only costs like $400 or $300, something like that.
Okay.
For each piece. Very cheap. Roger also did paint correction for me, so the color would pop. I'm very happy with it. Then I took it to the Toy Barn to get my lowering springs done. So the car's been lowered on H&R springs, and so far they feel good.
Yeah. Sit
Like
proper.
my thumbnail, too.
Yeah, sit proper for sure.
Look at the stance. Look at the stance. Got it lowered. We might change the wheels up.
Yeah.
I got a set of 20s. These are 19s or 18s.
I think 19s.
I'll probably just paint these gloss black and see how that looks.
Yeah.
But anyway, Toy Barn lowered the car for me. They tinted it for me, and they swapped my exhaust from AWE Tuning. Swapped the exhaust out, so we have the new exhaust on this car. And so Toy Barn swapped the exhaust, and they put the seats in there. They swapped the seats out. So now I have the rear seats.
How much?
They look very, very nice.
I agree, and it's not like anything crazy. It's probably like what, 5 hours maybe in work
I would say to swap the seats out maybe
in total.
4 or 5 hours.
Yeah,
Throw the springs on. Let's say 3 hours.
probably less honestly. Maybe like an hour. Yeah.
Window tint. What else?
And then the lip and the.
Roger did that.
Oh, Roger did that.
Yeah, Roger did that.
So springs and interior and tint.
Yeah, and the exhaust.
And the exhaust.
For the low price of 4,600 or something like that. So kind of steep, but we got her done, and everything is riding good, looking good. So now I want to know in the comment section, what do you think about the new Audi RS3 that we brought to the channel? This is the 2023, so I got to review it, and of course I can compare it to all the older previous models, because I've had pretty much all of the older ones in this line, S3 and RS3. But I'm loving the car so far. Happy with the color, very happy with the mods. Shout out to Roger with Essex Auto Enhancement, and now we got to sell my old 2022 Audi RS3.
Who won it?
But now, hey, now you know why I sold it. So for all those people that was getting ready to unsubscribe, I got you. So we got a lot of videos coming on this car. We got to do a review. We got to do first drive in the 2023, comparing and contrasting, that kind of thing. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
And we are here with Roger from Essex Auto Enhancement with the brand new Audi RS3 that just got revealed, but we're showing you the behind the scenes. So Roger's actually going to take care of paint correction, because the car just came from a cross-country trip on the back of a truck out on a trailer. So paint correction, a little bit of wrap details on the door handles, ceramic coating, and we know it's going to look awesome, spectacular. And then we got to take it to get tinted and swap the parts off of the old RS3 that's over there. So if you guys want to get the best in auto enhancement, your wraps, your
paint correction,
coatings,
PPFs.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We're doing the Maxton kit. Yes, the Maxton kit. So that's gonna look good. Did an awesome job on my old one and did it right, which is why I keep coming back. But he also is learning some skills on the PPF.
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
we'll have to come back and see him when he's ready to take on one of our projects that needs PPF. I think this probably, at some point, I should probably PPF the front or something. But yeah, want to say thank you, and we'll see you soon. By the time you guys see this video, you'll have seen the reveal of the car. But this is what made it look right. All right, so we got a stud on here. A lot of people like dogs on the vlogs.
Yeah.
So dogs on vlogs. What's his name?
This is Javier, or Javi.
Javi, and what's Javi's job? What's his motive?
Javi is our little stud dog. So
if you need a, he's ready.
He's ready to go.
That might get censored. So what? Like, if somebody wanted a dog like this, or like,
so yeah, Javi is a fluffy Frenchie, which is pretty
super rare.
So it's not a recessive gene. It's just one of those things that when they were being bred, when they were long time ago, there's photos out there from like 1936 from like a kennel club showing that with they call it Angora Frenchies then. So again, that's not, crossed with anything. It's not recessive. It's just kind of a rare gene. And he's also a blue, which is a very desirable color, and he carries cocoa. So Javi is a year old. His last litter was 9.
9?
Which
so
is
he's
really,
very virile.
Yeah.
He's ready to go, and
Which
he's very
for
virile.
Frenchie is very big, like usually 5
9.
to 6.
Yeah.
And their litters. So
if you need a Frenchie, what's your Instagram?
So I'm at Tortoise and the Frenchies, so all one word. So Javi will be ready for stud services soon. We just got him on Saturday.
So give him a break, let him rest a little bit.
Yeah, we're letting him acclimate to his 2 brothers and a new home, and he came from a farm, so things like concrete, he's kind of afraid of the concrete.
Oh, okay.
But he's a real sweetheart and lovable, so a lot of times the temperament is passed down, so any puppies he has will likely have this really
Cool, they'll
calm
be cool,
demeanor.
yeah.
I mean, he's so sweet. Just always loves to be cuddled, and got
There you
this
go.
long hair.
Look at that long hair. I've never seen a Frenchie like that.
Soft.
So you guys go subscribe to the Instagram or
Yeah,
follow the
so
Instagram channel.
Yeah, so you'll be seeing a lot of Javi in addition to Arnie and Frank. But yeah, this is our new stud, and again, if there's any breeders out here, shout out, and we can try to work something out.
Yeah, I'm sure Javi won't mind.
No, we won't.